I'm making a snuff film. And you see, my victim, he's struggling a little bit too much. And he doesn't know when to shut up. And you see, he's struggling to breathe right now. Okay. Well, I'm gonna go get a torture device.
Call the police. You guys, I need you to like, comment, and subscribe. Maybe if you do that, he'll be happy and he won't kill me. Please. See, this is kind of fun. Where is he? Jimmy! Baco! Jimmy Baco! Oh my God, he's coming. There's nothing to do but wait till he comes and gets me. Alright, I'll play this plan. Play-Doh, do, 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 do. Make crazy shapes, swirl with the grapes. Play-Doh, do, 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 do. Play-Doh, do, 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 do. Play-Doh, do, 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 do. Play-Doh, do, 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 do. These are the Ninja Turtles. She don't wear no girdle. He ain't got no muscle. I do the hustle for $10,000. It sure makes you holler. Boop ba doop ba doop boop boop ba doop ba doop boop 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 boop. So you like jazz? He's coming. Buckle! Oh God. No.
This is what your Lord has become! Why is no one tuning in? Jimmy, why is no one tuning in?
I don't know. I didn't kick him or anything.
Lift up your head so everyone can see. Lift up higher. If you don't send us money in the next 5 seconds, he will die.
Send us money.
5,
Please.
4,
Oh, give me a Play-Doh.
3,
Please, Jimmy. Please.
2,
No, I don't want to die.
1. I smoked the boy. I choked the boy. I eloped.
Like corn on the cob.
Your king has become. Do you see this? Do you see what I'm seeing? Do you see what I'm seeing?
Jimmy!
You know what? Everyone's being invited here to witness the death of a great
If
man.
you're gonna kill me, I suggest that you tell them to comment and like and share how to kill me. Okay?
No time for jokes, young boy. Imagine. Insert stuff here. Get up! Get up!
We're gonna play a game?
Get up now!
We're gonna play a game?
Yeah.
Hey babe, what's the game?
The game is called Follow Me.
Alright.
I'm gonna go somewhere. I'm going into my basement.
He's
Okay.
Ninja Turtle.
Okay, follow me. Follow me.
He ain't got no muscle. I do the hustle for $10,000. It sure makes you holler.
Okay. Sit down. Now beg. Like a dog, like a dog. You're gonna cry. No, into the doctor room. Get out! No!
No, please!
No!
I'm so sorry. Jimmy, please! Please, anything went in there!
Are any of you still watching? You still watching?
Quick, put me in the washer.
Okay. Slave! You're going to go.
No, don't. Jimmy, stop.
Okay?
Stop.
We're gonna turn it on.
No, don't.
Beep, it's on. Oh, look, he's all dry now. He's all dry even.
They're gone.
Okay, we're gonna go back. Shut the door.
I thought you were gonna tell him to comment how I should die.
Okay, how should he die? Tell me in the comments. Oh wait, no one's watching now.
Invite them.
They've all been invited. Looks like we need to. Okay, so apparently we have this lady who has joined. How should he die, lady?
Who's the person? Okay.
How should he die?
He's gone!
Bug spray or Everpet? Which do you prefer?
You guys look uncanny. Like...
Okay, you said bug spray.
Okay. Did you really say that? Okay.
Okay, open your mouth. Okay.
Don't!
Oh, okay. You just got some bug spray. Do you enjoy it?
No.
You like gurgle? Gurgle?
The gurgles are my favorite shapes.
FBI!
What are you talking about?
FBI!
There's nobody at the door, you friggin' maniac.
Oh my god! Come on, gotta go! Come on! No, hurry! You didn't see nothing.
Jimmy.
How dare you do that to me?
We're gonna play a game, Jimmy.
Okay. So I don't know what's going on right now, but I want you to comment how you want me to kill Jimmy. Okay,
No one's watching.
comment, and
No one's
subscribe.
watching.
Shut up!
Invite them again.
I did! Jeez! Okay, let's add some people. Alright. Just Davis. Alright. Alright, everyone in my friends list. Well, Jimmy's friends list actually. We'll have to go see what's going on right now. I'm sorry, Jimmy. Oh, I'm so sorry.
You want some more? Have another. Invite the whole crew. I don't care if they're your lovers or not. Invite them all! Even Simon Doggos. He sounds like a nice boy. And by
Okay.
the way, I didn't say what you thought in the last video. I said beat Jones.
Who?
He's our last viewer. He was our last viewer. I want him to know that I said beat.
Give me that. Give me that. Seriously, Jimmy, let me play a game.
Is it called stat? Mom! Get me some corn.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Oh, not the toilet!
Jimmy.
Your king is dead.
End the live stream and end me.
Okay. First of all, we're gonna end you.
Hey.
Hey, do any of you guys like cream corn? Do you want to know how to make it?
You ever watch the show I'm in the Band?
Have you ever watched the show I'm in the Band? Do you know that really fat, chubby guy? You know, like Chumley, whatever his name is? I love him. He's like my dad.
Get off!
You know what?
Jimmy, get off! God.
Frankie Jones, you see? We love him.
Get off! You join!
I wish.
Get off!
Hey! What did I say about talking?
Hey, you had no problem the other time.
I think I have a disease now because I went to the toilet bowl. Anyway. Not there, that's my fun place.
You're psychotic!
You know who's psychotic?
I think those meds you gave me are kicking
Bill
in.
O'Reilly!
I think those meds you gave me are kicking in.
Mercy! Say that.
Mercy! Mercy!
Anyone else join? Let's check.
Have another. Sweet. Give me that.